Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I'm sitting in a 2014 Jeep Patriot and I will show you which fuse to check in case your Jeep is equipped with a tow package and you're not getting any power to the trailer. This video will apply to Jeep Patriots made from 2007 all the way up to 2017. The trailer tow fuse will be located in the main fuse box, which is under the front hood, right here on the left side. Now to remove the cover, you'll have two black tabs. You want to press them at the same time and leave the cover up. On the back side of the cover, you will also have a small fuse diagram. And the fuse you want to check, it's a fuse number 1, which is located right here in the bottom right corner. Now, if this fuse is good and you're still not getting power to the trailer, then you will have to dig a bit deeper and start looking towards all the electrical connections, the wiring and things like that. But first things first, always make sure this fuse is good. Thank you for watching my video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.